So, more questions.
All right.
I've heard you mention a community of compassion, a COC.
Yes.
All right. Talk to me about that. What does community of compassion mean?
Okay, so a community, a nonprofit, first and foremost, cannot be for a person or a family. It has to be for a group of people. So we were getting a lot of requests from people wanting to fundraise for family members who had catastrophic illnesses, lost their house to a fire, kids with cancer, and we couldn't help them because we can't start a nonprofit for a person. So Audrey, I have to back up to Audrey, came up with this idea that we create a community of compassion, that we run the entity, and underneath the community of compassion, we can earmark money for people in times of crisis. And it gives us a way that we can give back to our community, save everybody from doing GoFundMe, and we can handle all the tax implications for that.
That's all right.
Yeah.
I like it. All right. What are, I mean, you kind of mentioned it, but how about some more concrete examples? Give me an example.
So Tanner's Touch is a great example. It started with a family their son was diagnosed with neoblastoma, and they did not understand how much financial burden would be parking, driving, going to the city every day for these cancer treatments. So Community of Compassion, their family rallied around them, and they started buying them gas cards and gift cards and things like that, and their money was 100% tax deductible, and then we turned around and got them the gas cards. Forward from that was Tanner's in Full Remission, is a EMT and firefighter, and they turned it into Tanner's Touch, but now they supply help to other families in the county going through similar things. They've even unfortunately paid for tombstones, things like that, but they're such a resource for the community, and they turned a situation that was just a really catastrophic situation into something positive, and now put it back out into the community.
Okay, so what if, hypothetically, or non-hypothetically, some of these fine people in our community wanted to help? How can they help?
First and foremost, helping with the Legacy Fund. The Community Foundation has the Legacy Fund that's named after Audrey, and that is kind of, think of that as our reserve fund. That's kind of in a case of a rainy day, but for all of us. So that is to ensure the support of the foundation. So that's number one. Number two, donate to any of our wonderful funds that you've seen. When they're successful, we're successful. They also could start a fund. If somebody has aspirations to start their own nonprofit, they could start a fund under the Community Foundation, and the more funds that we help support and they grow, the more we grow.
Excellent. Yeah. Thank you for all that.
You're welcome.
All right.
Thank you.